Hello, everyone, and come on in to the kitchen. Happy Thanksgiving Eve to all of you, and welcome to my home. This will be a short video. I have just about completed the kitchen decorating, and I want to share with you what I'll be cooking for tomorrow. I don't have everything out, but I will be cooking some Italian green beans, some dressing, and I usually chop maybe two medium-sized pieces of chicken up in my and then I use the cream of chicken soup. I bought these yesterday from the store. And in the beans, I usually do ham hock, but they're real high, so I thought I'll do these. It gives it the flavor because I add a little Crisco to it anyway. So the dressing, the green beans, some corn, and I am going to do yams, and I'm finally going to do my cake, my pound cake. Have you started cooking yet, or do you wait until Thursday morning to do it? I usually do mine on the night of getting started early today, and then I'll show you what I cook on tomorrow. So while you're here, I'll give you a quick peek. This is going to be a very quick tour. And today, the house looks just like you lived in. I still have, these are the ornaments. I just leave them out because this is going on the tree on Friday. This is my Christmas cup tree. I took that wreath down that was up there with it. I just like this one so much. Everything is the same. The tree will sit here, so I will adjust some things over here. I am 90% happy with how the mantle looks. I will be doing some changing over here. Now everything on the wall will stay, but I'll be moving around some things on the actual table. And then this is my Christmas bathroom. I don't do much, and definitely don't do red. So, but this red is looking good this year. The mauves. So I decided to at least try it, and I do like it. Now, let's go. This is the setup I had from yesterday. I like it, so it's going to stay. And then the table. The only thing new on this table I bought from Dollar General a few days back. And I only bought two so they can sit here. This side is I'm not going to do anything to it. Anything. And then I made some peanut butter cookies. Would you like to have one? And then I just put those two items I bought, the red items, on the stove. And this setup is still the same. Here I took away the large vase and brought this small one here because I'm going to do my prep over here. So I won't have so much to move. And now I will only have this. I always keep a cinnamon stick out, so that's why you see that. This is my prep area, so that's why I don't have much here. Okay, everyone. That's it. Oh, I am going to give some canned goods and things away. I already have them. I need to get a box, but I do have them ready. Someone needs something, then I'm going to help them. Again, thank you. And I'll see you after Thanksgiving. Blessings. This is Stephanie at Traditional Home. Thank you.